Are you tired of the daily grind? Always wondering where your next paycheck will come from? Do you ever dream of a different life? One where you have the financial freedom to pursue your passions? Live on your own terms and never worry about money again? It's time to stop dreaming and start acting. Today could be the day you take control of your financial destiny. Imagine a life where money is not a constant source of stress. A life where you have the freedom to travel, to pursue hobbies, to spend time with loved ones without the nagging worry of bills and debt. It's a dream that can become a reality, but it requires commitment, knowledge, and a clear plan. Start with educating yourself about personal finance. Understand the importance of budgeting, saving, and investing. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to change your life. Next, lay a strong foundation. Build a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Cut out unnecessary expenses and save as much as you can. Every penny saved is a step closer to your dream. But saving alone won't get you there. It's time to make your money work for you. Investing is the key to growing your wealth. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert to do this. Understanding the basics of investing and finding the right investment options for your situation will set you on the path to financial freedom. Remember, though, that financial freedom is not just about accumulating wealth. It's also about protecting it. Make sure you have a safety net in place. This includes having an emergency fund and the right insurance coverage. And don't forget to surround yourself with people who share your financial goals. Join communities, attend workshops, learn from successful investors. A supportive network can provide the motivation and inspiration you need to stay on track. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take the first step towards financial freedom. It won't be easy and it won't happen overnight, but the rewards are worth it. Start today and you will soon see the incredible transformation that financial independence can bring to your life. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it helpful and want to learn more about achieving financial independence, subscribe to our channel. We are here to help you unlock the path to financial freedom.